What if I told you you can make a 180 in your life and truly thrive after a narcissistic relationship in less than a year with a very simple mindset shift that is the exact opposite of what therapists and coaches tell you? Because the fastest way to heal from narcissistic abuse is not just inner work, not just therapy, and not just time, but actually manifesting your dream relationship while healing. I know this sounds crazy, especially when you're still processing everything, but please hear me out. The women who heal the fastest aren't the ones who keep analyzing the narcissist or reliving the past. They're the ones who shift their focus entirely towards the kind of love they're growing into. Because it's universal law. What you focus on expands. If you keep focusing on the pain, you stay stuck in pain. If you keep focusing on their behaviors, you stay stuck in their low vibrational energy. If you start aligning with the love you actually desire, your healing speeds up, your energy shifts, and before you know it, healthy love comes knocking on your door, literally. My name is Divinia. I help women break toxic relationship patterns and attract extraordinary love. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to combine manifestation with healing so that you can move on faster, clear those toxic patterns for good, and actually step into the love story you were meant for. Now, most women make one huge mistake after narcissistic abuse. They think healing means only looking at their past, sitting with their pain, validating themselves as the victim, and going through years of self-reflection because they actually feel ready to love again. While in all honesty, healing isn't just about releasing the past, it's about aligning with your future because if you don't create a higher version for love, if you don't start stepping into the energy of the relationship you actually want, you stay energetically tied to the narcissist without even realizing. And trust me, I've seen this firsthand. I've worked with women who spent years stuck in healing mode because they were too afraid to even dream about love again. But the second we started working on attracting, manifesting their ideal relationship, their reality shifted entirely. They actually started feeling alive again, and love showed up sooner than they ever expected. So today, I'm giving you the exact 3 steps that will help you heal while manifesting your dream relationship at the same time. And make sure you stay till the end because the last one is the key to making sure you never attract a narcissist again. So step one is to shift your focus from the past to the future. The number one reason most women stay stuck is because they keep going back to what the narcissist did and how they were tricked. But the thing is, you can't create a new future if you're obsessed with the past. The fastest way to heal is to shift your focus entirely. And instead of asking, why did this happen to me? Start asking, what kind of love do I actually want? Start scripting your dream relationship. Connect with the core values of healthy relationships like trust, loyalty, integrity, and write about them. Meditate to heal your nervous system and start associating love with peace and not chaos. Feel what it is to feel loved and safe before it has happened, not as something far away, but something you're actively stepping into every single day because the moment you shift your energy from the past to the love you're creating, your subconscious mind will start aligning with that new reality. And when your energy aligns, your healing accelerates. The heart coherence exercise I teach in my Healing Starter Kit is a very easy but very powerful exercise to help you do just that. So if you want to check it out, I will link it below this video. Step number 2 is to align with the high ideal of love. Most women think they need to fix themselves before they can attract real love, while in fact the fastest way to heal is to start aligning with the highest version of love right now. What does this mean? It means that you start embodying the kind of energy you want in your next relationship. You start operating from a place of trust, love, and emotional security now, even before your ideal partner arrives, before you feel fully healed. Think about it. If you want a partner who is deeply kind, emotionally available, and committed, are you embodying those traits in your own life and relationships right now? Or are you still operating on the energy of fear, skepticism, and bitterness? This is where healing and manifestation work together. The more you step into the energy of love, the more you attract love, the more you heal, the more you become emotionally available, the more emotionally available people notice you. The way you feel now is creating your next relationship. That's why in my healing starter kit, I give you over 200 powerful affirmations to shift your beliefs and your self image and start stepping into the version of you who feels so worthy and so deserving of true love and affection right now. And step three is to surround yourself with the energy of love. Now, this is the most important step. And if you don't do it, none of this will work. You need to start actively surrounding yourself with love. Most women make the mistake of isolating themselves after a narcissistic relationship. They avoid happy couples because it triggers them. They tell themselves they need to heal alone for years. But what they don't realize is that the fastest way to attract love and heal your heart is to immerse yourself in it. Here is a very powerful exercise. Find healthy couples and genuinely celebrate their love because this is a spiritual truth. What you admire in others, you attract into your own life. If you look at happy couples and feel jealous, you block that energy. But if you look at them and feel inspired, you align with this energy. So make it a practice. Every time you see a couple in love, bless them, wish them even more love, and remind yourself, this is my reality too. If I am seeing it, I am aligning with it. Now, healing doesn't stop here. If you really want to step into divine love, check out this video where I share more spiritual habits and tools that will help you make the biggest breakthrough in your life and create the love you deserve. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications for more content that actually helps you heal and thrive in love.